Which YouTube TV compatible device to buy? Choosing the best device for YouTube TV depends on your preferences, budget, and existing equipment. Here's a breakdown of options, helping you select the ideal device for accessing YouTube TV seamlessly. 1. Smart TVs with built-in YouTube TV. If you want an all-in-one solution without external devices, consider these smart TVs, Samsung Smart TVs, models from 2017 and newer with the YouTube TV app pre-installed or available for download. LG Smart TVs. TVs running WebOS 3.0 or higher provide easy access to YouTube TV. Sony Smart TVs, Android or Google TV powered models offer excellent compatibility and additional app options. Roku TVs. Budget-friendly TVs with Roku's intuitive platform, perfect for YouTube TV and other streaming apps. Pros: no need for extra devices. Unified remote control and interface. Convenient setup. Cons: more expensive upfront compared to adding a streaming device to an older TV. Limited to these smart TVs' performance and updates. 2. Streaming devices for YouTube TV. If you already have a TV without built-in YouTube TV support, these streaming devices are excellent choices. Roku streaming sticks. Affordable and user-friendly, compatible with nearly all TVs with an HDMI port. Amazon Fire TV Stick, great for Alexa users, with voice control integration and smooth YouTube TV access. Google Chromecast with Google TV, ideal for Google ecosystem users, offering a personalized interface and voice search. Apple TV 4K, a premium option for Apple enthusiasts with seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. Pros: affordable way to add YouTube TV to older TVs. Portability allows use on multiple TVs or travel. Frequent updates for improved performance. Cons: requires a separate remote, except Chromecast, which can use your phone. Adds an extra device to your setup. Third, gaming consoles with YouTube TV support. If you own a gaming console, you may not need to buy another device. PlayStation, PS4/PS5, supports YouTube TV via the app. Xbox One Series X/S, fully compatible with YouTube TV. Pros: leverage an existing device for streaming. No additional cost if you already own a console. Cons: less energy efficient than standalone devices, limited to the console's location. Fourth, budget-friendly tablets or laptops. For portable YouTube TV viewing, consider Amazon Fire tablets, affordable and reliable for streaming on the go. Chromebooks, lightweight and ideal for using YouTube TV on a browser. Pros: portable and multi-purpose. No additional device required if you already own one. Cons: smaller screen size for viewing, may require external speakers for better sound quality. Conclusion: if you're starting from scratch, a Roku streaming stick or Google Chromecast with Google TV offers excellent value for YouTube TV. For those seeking an all-in-one solution, a Roku or Samsung Smart TV is a great choice. Evaluate your current equipment and preferences to make the best decision.